Hello everyone, this is the second video on how to make a weeping eucalyptus leaf. So this one is really easy. Just start with the floral wire and then glue together the two leaves. Make sure to apply plenty of glue to secure the floral wire and make sure that it's also sturdy too. So in this video, I think I made like 10 pieces of leaf to make a bunch. But it really depends on your requirement on your paper flower bouquet. So you can use a floral tape to wrap the floral wire and the rest of the leaves. So you need to put each leaves around the one on top. So gradually put the leaves as you go down, wrapping the floral wire. Ideally, you need to put hot melt glue as you put the leaves. But if you really think that you're making it sturdy with just a floral tape, you can do this process. So make sure that wrap it until the end. Next step will be curling the leaf. So you can use the tip of the brush, or if you have a curling tool, it will be better. So make sure to curl the tip of the leaf without the wire, because it will be harder to curl it with the wire. Next step is we will twist each leaf where the wire is. This is really perfect for bouquet to make it look fuller. So I hope you liked the video and thank you for watching.